This is Ann Smith. Let's begin. Hey family, I'm back with another quick video, but first, please make sure to thumbs up the video while you get good and settle in for this tea. And show me some love by hitting the subscribe button, leave a comment while you're here. And on your way out, definitely share this video with a friend, okay? So now we can get into it. Let's go. Number 5, Judge Les Hayes sentenced a woman named Marquita Johnson to 496 days behind bars for failing to pay her traffic tickets. The sentence was so severe it exceeded the jail time allowed in the state of Alabama for negligent homicide. Her fellow inmates began to nickname Marquita the woman with all the days because other people who had committed horrific crimes got out of jail before this woman who simply couldn't afford her traffic fines. Marquita says the impact of her time in jail endures to this day because her children were placed in foster care where one of her daughters was molested and another daughter was physically abused. Marquita stated that Judge Hayes took away her life and didn't care how her children suffered, and her girls will never be the same. This evil man broke state and federal laws by jailing hundreds of people who couldn't afford to pay their fines. And among those that he jailed is a plumber who was struggling to make rent, a mother who skipped meals to cover the medical bills of her disabled son, and a hotel housekeeper who was working her way through college, and none of that mattered to this man. Now I ask again because this is just mind-blowing. Again, y'all, gladiators. Can somebody please tell me how was this man even given the opportunity to retire, given the level of misconduct and the heinousness of his misconduct, right? And let me qualify the definition of evil to me, because common sense ain't that common, and I want to qualify it for myself. Evil to me is doing something to someone else that you don't want done to you. It's just that simple. And hats go off to Pastor Willie Knight, who told it like it is. Couldn't find his picture, but yeah. Number 4, in Utah, Judge John Dow texted a video of a man's scrotum to court clerks. He was reprimanded, but remained on the bench. Y'all see this? You feeling safer yet? Okay, look, let's just get through this countdown. Number 3, in Orange County, California, Superior Court Judge Scott Steiner was getting busy in his courthouse chambers, once with his former law intern and another time with an attorney. So he had sex with 2 women in his chambers. Then he bribed prosecutors into giving these 2 women a job while he was having an affair with his wife. And then he refused to disqualify himself from a case involving a friend. But the craziest part about 𝗖cie𝗽𝘆𝗶𝗵𝘁 here is that he went on to win the election after his whole sex scandal to defeat the prosecutor named Karen Schatzel. So what did Karen do to lose to a judge in the middle of a sex scandal? I really don't know what's worse here. The people who voted for old boy or Karen losing to old boy. I can't call it. Number 2, Florida Judge Jerri Collins was captured heartlessly rebuking a victim of domestic abuse as the woman began to explain that her depression and anxiety kept her from facing her abuser in court. Collins stated, "You think you're going to have anxiety? You haven't seen anxiety yet." So Collins, before issuing her decision, sarcastically kept berating and belittling the victim of domestic violence, while the woman repeatedly pleaded with the judge to please not send her to county jail because she had to take care of her 1-year-old son. Number one. In Indiana, not one, not two, but 3 judges, Andrew Adams, Bradley Jacobs, and Sabrina Bell, got drunk and were seen fighting outside a White Castle restaurant that ended with 2 of the judges being shot by the men they were fighting with in the parking lot. The state Supreme Court decided that the 3 judges had, quote unquote, discredited the entire Indiana judiciary, but each were allowed to return to their bench after a suspension. Let me leave you with one more bad judge gone wild for good measure. Judge Kim Chaney violated the same nepotism rules he was tasked with enforcing on the Oversight Commission, where court records show in 200 cases, Judge Chaney chose his own son to serve as a court-appointed defense lawyer for the indigent, enabling his son to earn $105,000 in fees over 2 years. Talk about the fox in the hen house with 0 morals, because it's been the good old boys network. So you're feeling safer right now? What about your trust factor? Where's that right now? Y'all better wake up and smell the coffee, because we have apex predators across America disguised as judges who are corrupt to the core, ready to recruit you into the school to prison pipeline, ready to victimize people while they escape public accountability, even when they're caught in blatant lies, and force people to languish in jail illegally. 9 out of 10 judges get a slap on the wrist and allowed to keep the positions of extraordinary power and prestige when they're the ones out here violating the rules of ethics or straight up breaking the laws they pledged to uphold. They keep getting away with this because the problem has always been about unchecked power, which means this problem is bigger than any one of us. And the only way to get a fair chance when the law is clearly breaking the law is to learn the law for yourself. This is how you win. The truth is the truth, and that's all that matters to me. So I'm not here for clout. I'm not here for clicks. I'm not here for games. I want real change. And let me be clear. I am not a lawyer, but you don't have to be a lawyer to know that destroying people's lives based on lives is repulsive. That's why I'm here sharing my own journey as a survivor of legal abuse syndrome as a result of my daughter being wrongfully committed in court with lies. Right now, a lot of wrongdoers are holding positions of power, but when enough non-attorney lay people like myself level up with legal knowledge and financial literacy, it's game over for them, because now you're empowered to protect yourself and you can help others in your own community. And when you buy a copy of my book, you're also given to charity, which makes your purchase a force for good. So you're getting to level up and you're giving to charity. So if this sounds like it's something you're interested in, please check the links in the video description box for free resources, as well as my premium resources to help you to level up with your jurisprudence, with your study of law, and your financial literacy. Boop. All right, that's all I have for you today. Have a great day on purpose. If this message resonated with you, please check the links in the video description box on your way out. And remember to share this video. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to stop by and subscribe too. I love you for real. Be encouraged, be inspired. And until next time, be safe, everybody. This video is sponsored by the Clear Her Name textbook and workbook. Purchase your copy today by going to clearhername.com/book. If you want to help stop wrongful executions, wrongful convictions, and wrongful commitments, please check the video description box for important links. Please remember to hit the like, share, subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.